Welcome to CreativeLive's Photoshop Quick Tips. I'm your instructor, Ben Willmore. Let's get started with cropping in Photoshop. Photoshop's Tools panel on the left side of the screen, you will find the Crop tool. When you click on it, spanning the top will be the options for the Crop tool, and it'll depend on what is set up there. If you find any numbers typed in up here, there's a clear button so that you can clear out and start fresh with your settings, and let's look at how to crop. You're going to find a rectangle surrounding your picture. You can grab each edge of that rectangle and pull it in to limit which portions of your image we're going to be keeping, or you can grab the corner to both adjust the width and the height at the same time. If your photo is crooked and the horizon is not quite straight, you can either move your mouse outside of this rectangle and then click and drag, and it'll rotate. It displays a grid so you can see if the horizon is close to matching. Or at the top of my screen, you'll also find a spirit level, little level icon. And with that icon, if I click on it, I can then go to my image and click and drag across the horizon line or anything else that should be perfectly straight in the picture, and the cropping rectangle that it had will be rotated to align with it. If you need to crop for a specific size, then you can go to the upper left of your screen, where right now this is set to ratio. If it's for ratio, then I could type in something like 1 and 1, and that would produce a square because the width and the height would be the same. And if I click on the menu to the left, I have various presets, common sizes we need to use. Or if I simply have it set to ratio, I can type in whatever I'd like. Let's say I want this to be a 10 by 8. That's going to change the shape of this rectangle to match that ratio you've entered. If you discover you've typed in the wrong number, meaning you really wanted an 8 by 10 instead of a 10 by 8, the double arrow icon will allow you to switch the two. Then, if you need a very specific size, there's another choice in this menu called WH in resolution. That stands for width, height, and resolution. And there I can type in a specific measurement I'd like if I want 8 inches by 10 inches. In there you can type in the letters IN for inches, MM for millimeters, or CM for centimeters. And on the right side is the resolution setting you might need to use. 300 is fine for most kinds of printing. Once you've figured out the setting that you'd like to use, then all you need to do is click on either this checkbox near the top of your screen to complete your cropping, or press the Return or Enter key to crop in Photoshop. If you want to learn a ton more about Photoshop, then look at my complete course on CreativeLive, Photoshop CC, the complete guide. Thanks for watching.